Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. Today, August 26, 2019, it is 60 years ago the original Mini was released. It was built from 1959 till the year 2000. It was designed by Alec Isigonis. It was sold under the Austin and Morris brand by the British Motor Corporation. Coupe versions were available starting from 1961, and the minivan was produced from 1960 till 1983. So I did several videos each month starting from January, each time covering a different diecast brand that produces a classic Mini, and then the previous episode was about the new Mini. That is in fact the most watched video in that series. I will put a link at the end of the video to the Mini playlist if you haven't seen those or need to see some of those still. In this video, the purpose is to open up some carded ones I found since I did those videos, and also to do a size comparison. That should be fun, using the Schuco True 1/64 scale one as a benchmark. And I also have an oldie I haven't shown yet. Let's start with the new Mini versions that I haven't opened yet, and then we go to the classic one and stay there. So recently found this Norev version in yellow. Let's crack it open. So this one is the Cooper S. It has suspension, plastic tires, authentic rims. You can see the suspension, lensed headlights, nicely detailed all around. Interesting to notice here the checkered roof piece together with the window piece is one piece, and it's slided over a kind of a metal structure that is part of the yellow metal body. I have another Norev Mini here, new Mini, but turns out it's not exactly the same. You can see the rims are the same, and these are chromed and these are silver. This one has side view mirrors and this one doesn't. It has the same system with the plastic top over the metal body, although here the pillars are painted black, and also the pillows here are wider than on this version. But the most significant difference is here to see on the base. This one is just a simple Cooper and this is the Cooper S, so they have a different front end. You can see the Cooper S has the extra air intake, and also the grille is split here into a part above and in the bumper, where the grille here is above the bumper. So interesting to notice Norev has two different castings of the new Mini, the Cooper and the Cooper S, and the same in the back. There's also a difference. The Cooper S has the twin exhaust in the middle, and then the Cooper has a single exhaust on the right hand side. Also there's a difference here on the tailgate, I should say, the trunk, the boot. So very interesting to notice that. Very cool. They did the trouble of making two different castings. Then another new Mini I found recently is this Auto Art. Always a nice brand to find, Auto Art. Definitely if you can find it for cheap. So let's take off the cover first and then unscrew the car from the base. You can see Auto Art, it says on the base. So let's see what's on the base. Gateway Global 164 Millennium Cooper, made in China. So it's got authentic rims, very nice ones. It's got side view mirrors. It's got defrost lines on the rear window. It's got the mini badge, the Cooper name, tail lights. So this does have a metal top, I think, although not 100% sure. And then the tempoed headlights and the mini logo, and a nice interior, of course, nicely detailed as one would expect from auto art. So, and then let's start with the classic Mini, because that's the anniversary we are celebrating, of course. So this is a Motomax version. I was very happy to find. If you want to take a look at the box, this is what it looks like. A little bit damage on top, that's unfortunate, but you know, Motomax is not the best top quality. So it says Morris Mini Cooper on the base. It's got some modern rims on it, doesn't really suit the vehicle. Got the tail lights painted, and there's a lot more detail in the front. Headlights and the small indicator lights underneath the badge. The bumper is painted silver too, and the license plate holder. So a lot more details in the front. Oh yeah, the bumper in the back is painted silver too. A lot more details in the front than in the back, I mean. Right hand drive, as it should be. Yeah, decent interior. Then I got a Hot Wheels version that I found since I did the Hot Wheels video. 2001 release. I got this from Diecast Dude, so that was very cool of him. So this is an American card. So this is one that has a pop-off body. This is the oldest version I have now. Mini Cooper on the base. 2000 copyright, so this is probably the first release. Very heavy model, metal on metal. So let's pop it off. Yep, there you go. So it's got the roll cage, orange roll cage, one seat, lots of details. Very cool. It's got the lace or snowflake wheels. So the grille clips in the front, and then the back pops onto. Yeah, oh no, it's not clicked in yet. Doesn't seem to want to click in, I don't know what's keeping it. Oh yeah, should be some kind of a spring system here, but seems like the spring has broken or something. I don't know, but I'm going to just push it back, and that way it's locked too. Maybe they introduced the spring later on, I don't know. But all in all, oh yeah, front isn't clicked in correct either. Very nice color, cool model, nice and heavy. Just got some details on top, nowhere else, but that's fine. And then this is one I've been dying to open. It's the 2019 version of the 64 Austin Mini Cooper. The taxi livery, that's cool. Austin Mini Cooper 1275S 1964, 151 scale. So happy to see it still has the scale on the base, because most of them don't anymore. So got no detail in the front, no detail in the back, so everything is on the side. Very funny. A mini taxi. Don't think that has ever existed, because this is a really tiny car. Hopefully passengers did not bring any luggage, because that's going to be difficult. Right hand drive, of course. Yeah, very cool. Now, of course, this is not the first mini Matchbox has done, because there has been a few versions. I don't have all of them. I do have the Mini Haha. This has a 1975 copyright, made in England, Lesney. It's not mint, it's from my childhood collection. 4 exhausts, big fat tires in the back. Got another one here that's a little bit more beat up, and it also has lost the stickers on the side, or maybe it was released without the stickers at one point, I don't know. And the dude also lost his helmet, so that's where you can see what he actually looks like. Kind of funny. And then to finish it off, I'm going to do the size comparison just for giggles. So this is the benchmark, the Schuco True 164 one. So I'm going to try to go from small to biggest. So this is Norev. So as you can see here, already quite a big difference in size, length and width. Then we got the Siku, also a little bit wider and quite a bit bigger. I think maybe the Matchbox, it's pretty much the same as the Siku, I think. All in all, yeah, Matchbox is a tiny bit bigger. So here you can see pretty big difference. And then the yeah, let's use this premium version to compare the Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels isn't as long as the Matchbox one, it seems, but it is much wider. Yeah, it's shorter but much wider, so that is interesting. Look at that, what a difference. Then I think that Motor Max is next size wise, huge. And then probably the Welly is the biggest one. Yep, very big. Just going to put the Motor Max and the Welly next to each other. Well, they are not far off, but the Welly is slightly bigger. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.